Kesoka jela mentaka si kalarai ban aja kashu sasi akartam yaki harjana thami molong nalo ke jaka blad ai mensha ara kartam yakan lara sim baka jalan ke balong mentaka si apa dengan kesoka jela bak kinami khmat ke harijan panchayat committee usebut mitra bak jela ubak person tensong lo baka jalan kalau ke basiso akabalai kan bun KKI tamam pala baja tulun namar mentaka dan sakipat ke jalan ke balong hau benai kelengkot dasam senem wa perstu dah turu bakiran lais pak support di kita miang joki harijan bat kimpat dam bat kejaka bat senayang bat kesoka klarai bat aibiang sa iwai point saw akar kejaka bat persyak bat ai musya ke balong r point khat saw akar bat barok kalong lai point riu akar tam ai kejaka kan kejaka kadai kawan office jong Selong municipal board nakalian ke harijan panchayat committee kerawa syemi karai bandai perkhat biang yakin digisni usah banyakan biang bakasoka kateu ke ba jong ukulal kod dekat senam banwan
bat presiden rangba jongka Delhi Kutwara, kiawan armut representative, agar nama bakini rukide kibalong bakajing, kidon ke concern. Kumno bat boy syada jingi sutu jumut abdeng jongi ke government batki, kila don kat ban elektren bun ki isu bat ke bangka ban omni, ngin nempat la ban baktai ki isu ki bengai discuss namar ba menta nakaliang jokiru ki patbor sa katu kanye tayo bakin dagya discuss biang rengkat baki para mangsong sedang jokiang te ngiyo i ba kancing keren kalong kabas ngotena kabas seiso bat nilayarai langru dakaju kasur ba hapo jong katayo kabaan une u benai Januari u benai benungkong u ar hajar akusau ngin ye kendu yang sai simpat ban ngakremen sken ba hakata kajing kendu ngin poi sendon syaka bakut jong ka meeting ini kajing kendu kata kadai ka bangira mentakabit
kita orang kini kecakap isu
ka location kani kecakap kalong kumli ka tu ka existing ka badon menta kadon kumba r ekar point 14 mo te kabamenta just opposite to that na iya katu ka existing syakawi pak sulok syaka persyak sulok ya kadon sakawi kabashi ekar saupa 1.4 ekar tinggi at ya kata kalong kuma around 3.6 acres
kita tahu bahwa isu itu 1.4 acres
agak bempandak deh namar babli ngong pi bisa sutu ba kidon lies pa south away families lies pa south are families but ni haban le ru kini ki high rise building te ngiyo ngilap ba kampandak kadang rit kecekan kadang ni isu ya keceka sa 1.4 acres namang ikwa kumong pingal ada konten ba kejingkwa jong ni government habangi ong relocation habangi ong shifting kan long back complete na doksyo
kung bulukin kalau lagi plot di bontai ke jengah
kan long kata lies pa sebuah units long lies pa sebuah quarter.
So was the agreement still the same that government will bear the expenses or what is the status of that?
No, we are yet to reach that. As I said, we are still shown to them the blueprint. We present to them the blueprint prepared by the government. So we are yet to reach to that level of discussion for the expenditure or the expenses for construction and so on and so forth.
Well, I will not detail about the issues. So many issues are there. But as I said to you, one by one, we are resolving it. So right now, I should not say anything. It is not appropriate for me to say also, because as I said to you, one more meeting will be there. It will be held in the month of January. So please be patient. So once we meet again, one more time, I'm very sure the next meeting that we will reach to the conclusion.
So if you can tell us about the modified blueprint that the government has presented today.
Yeah, no, the modified blueprint is like this. The existing quarters, existing office of municipal board, we have about 2.05 acres or something, 2.14, and the additional land, because it is not enough to accommodate all the 342 families. So ultimately, we considered one more additional plot, which is about 1.4 acres area. So we have shown them, and for more or less, as I said to you, things is now in line for the final discussion.
Sir, this one.
मीटिंग में वही रिलोकेशन के लिए जो बातचीत चल रहा था उसी पे डिस्कस हुआ है। तो अभी थोड़ा सा और एक दो पॉइंट है, इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट है, उसके लिए फिर जनवरी फर्स्ट वीक में मीटिंग होगा।
तो अभी जो ब्लूप्रिंट है आप लोग मान लिया शिफ्ट करने के लिए, या क्या स्टेटस है अभी?
हाँ, वही मतलब उसी के जो ब्लूप्रिंट है ना उसके ऊपर ही और दोबारा एक बार, क्योंकि हम भी अपना जो लोकेलिटी है ना उसमें जाके सब जितने रेजिडेंट्स हैं उनको भी बताएंगे कि यहाँ पे मीटिंग हुआ तो इसमें क्या क्या बात हुआ। तो फिर मतलब उसमें भी फिर इनको आके बताएंगे कि मतलब हमारा जो वहाँ के पे लोग हैं वो एग्री है या नहीं है, मतलब क्या पॉइंट जो इन्होंने हम लोग को ब्लूप्रिंट में बताया है वही बताएंगे उनको। तो फिर फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ जनवरी हम फिर मीटिंग करेंगे।
लास्ट जो मीटिंग हुआ था आप लोग ने माना था, आप लोग कुछ और आपका डिमांड्स था, जो कंडीशंस रखा था, अभी आप लोग रिट्रीव किया वो या क्या हुआ था?
हाँ, जो अभी ब्लूप्रिंट दिया है उसमें हम लोग सेटिस्फाइड है, लेकिन उसमें और भी कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स है जिसको अभी हम लोकेलिटी में जाके डिस्कस करेंगे, फिर यहाँ पे आके बताएंगे।
ये जो
just once, he'll just add more. Yeah.
You see, this is our second meeting. There were few points which we raised in the previous meeting. Some of those points they have considered, and there are certain things which are yet to be finalized, to be decided from either side. So now the HPC people, they will discuss the issues what we have discussed today in the meeting with their people, and then we'll again discuss those issues in the next meeting that is scheduled to be held in the second week of January.
Okay. Can you tell us those few points that
No,
have been agreed?
that I can't tell you, but yes, the meeting was on a good note. Hopefully they'll discuss, and if they are agreed, then those points will be discussed in the next meeting, and hopefully some solution will be reached.
Has there been any discussion regarding Gurdwara that is located in?
Sorry?
I mean, was there any discussion on Gurdwara?
All the points. No, see, there is no point which we can tell you that what are to be discussed. That those are the internal points which I think they will discuss with their people, and then definitely will inform and disclose to the media. But first, let them discuss with their people. HPC will discuss, and then will tell to the media.
Gurjit ji, can we expect by next year 2024 this issue will be resolved and you all also will be happy with what has been promised to you all?
Hopefully.
अब बताइए और
चांस तो है।
चांस है। Okay. Thank you.